Sa usaping pera, utang, ari-arian, negosyo, paano hinahati kung maghiwalay ang mag-asawa o even ang mag-live-in partners?
Well, depende po yan. Kasi po, pag kasal po kayo,
Yes. Yeah.
if you are going to be legally separated, whether it's through legal separation or annulment, usually po, kung sino may kasalanan dun sa nangyaring paghihiwalay, lahat ng property, conjugal property, mapupunta dun sa innocent spouse.
Kung sino yung may kasalanan, of course, is determined by the
Yes.
court.
Yes, it's determined by the court. And at the same time, kung kayo naman po ay hindi legally married, ang treatment lang po dyan ng batas ay parang partners po kayo. So, pera mo, pera niya.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
paghahatiin po yung properties, kung kunyari po may naipundar kayong properties together, yung proportion po nung naibigay mo, ganun
Yung
po
ambag mo.
Yung ambag mo, yun po
Oo,
yung
oo.
hatian.
Ayun. So, fair naman, no?
Fair naman po.
Fair naman.
Sa yung medyo malaki lang po talaga yung benefit ng marriage when
Yes,
it comes
of
to the
course.
innocent spouse.
Yeah.
But for those who are not bound by marriage, kunyari
Yes.
yung ordinary live-in partner, it's gonna be as if partnership lang talaga. Na
You
kung
get
ano
your
yung-
fair share.
Your fair share.
Yeah. What you put in is what
Yes.
you're able to
Now,
get out of it.
it's also a different story kung kunyari po ay mag-partner kayo pero yung lalaki meron palang first marriage.
Oh, okay.
So,
may complication.
May
no?
complication po dahil yung properties or finances ng lalaki dapat po nakalaan sa first family po niya talaga. So, ang pwede nilang makuha ni partner na girl na inabuso would be her own contribution na lang talaga. Wala
Okay.
siyang entitlement kung kunyari po may biniling lupa si lalaki with his own money. So kahit live-in sila, pero may ibang asawa naman pala yung si lalaki.
Kasi nandun na yung hatian
Yes
no?
po.
Sa covered na nung first
Nung
marriage.
first marriage, yes
I
po.
see. Alright. So how about yung custody ng bata?
If married po, of course, co-parenting po dapat yan. So, joint custody po yan.
Okay.
Now, pwede pong mag-usap ang married couple
Kung kanino titira.
kung
or,
kanino titira. Subject
Or how
to
often
agreement.
will the other
Yes.
parents see the child?
And usually po, pag minor yung child, sa mother, 7 years and below, pero pag medyo matanda na po, pwede na pong ibigay yung choice sa bata.
Okay. Yeah.
But for mga mag-partner or magkasintahan na may anak,
Yes.
but not without the benefit of marriage, an illegitimate child's custody is with the mother.
Yes.
So, sa nanay po dapat talaga.
Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosim po. Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito tayo sa True FM. Mag-subscribe and follow po sa ating social media accounts. Hanapin lamang po ang True Network PH. Siyempre, kompleto yan. Nandyan po kami sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa X, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast.